Dimenticate unos segundos.
Little darling, don't shed no tears. No woman, no cry. Good friends we are, and good friends we've lost along the way. In this great future, you can't forget your past. So dry your tears, I say.
Welcome to Hawthorne.
It's okay.
No, we're gonna die today.
Yes.
Yeah.
Be alright. Everything's gonna 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 be alright.
It's so beautiful!
That's it. That was my idea.
The real Gulliver is back! The giant is in the city! He is right in the square!
Those are some angry birds.
Wow, I've never had such a welcome.